Hey everyone, Vivo just launched an incredible foldable phone, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. It's packed with awesome features. This device is top notch in everything: the screen, the camera, the design and the build quality. And guess what? When you unbox it, you'll find a slim and light phone along with a USB Type-C to C cable and a super fast 120W charger. Plus, it can handle wireless charging up to 50 watts. It weighs around 245 grams, but it feels light in the hand. The back panel of the phone is made of glass fiber with an aluminium alloy frame. For the protection, the outer glass is armor protected, which is Vivo's own protection technology. At the bottom, you will find a speaker grill, microphone and a USB Type-C port, which is 3.2 Gen 2, providing data transfer speeds of up to 10 Gbps. On the right hand side, there's a power button, and above it are the volume up and down buttons. There are two microphones on the top, one being an IR blaster and the other for the noise cancellation. Additionally, there are dual speakers. On the left hand side, there's a popular feature called alert slider. There are total of 4 microphones and there's also in a camera module. The thickness of the phone is only 5.2 mm when opened. The SIM card supports dual nano SIM cards, but there's no eSIM support. The outer display is a 6.53 inches LTPO AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution. It can refresh from 1Hz to 120Hz depending on the content. It has a brightness of 4500 nits, making it easily visible even in the sunlight. The inner display is an 8.03 inches 2K resolution display, supporting Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Both displays have a brightness of 4500 nits, making them the brightest among foldable devices. They also feature 2160Hz PWM dimming, reducing eye strain in the low light. The bezels of both displays are very slim. Talking about the specifications, Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. It comes in one variant with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of ROM. The battery capacity is 5700 mAh, supporting 100W fast charging. The RAM type is LPDDR5X and the ROM type is UFS 4.2. Talking about the gaming, it can run Genshin Impact at a continuous 40 FPS with a stability score of 81%. It can provide 7 to 8 hours of screen on time even with heavy use, and the thermals are good. The haptic feedback is also excellent. Talking about its connectivity, it supports 5G on 17 bands, Wi-Fi version 7, Bluetooth version 5.4 and NFC. The AMOLED display with LTPO, HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support provides excellent multimedia experience. HDR content on Netflix looks stunning, enhancing the overall multimedia experience. The rear camera setup includes a 50MP main camera, a 64MP periscope lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera. The front camera is 32MP on the main display. The Zeiss partnership ensures excellent color science and accuracy. It has various modes like vivid, natural, and textured, and it can capture multifocal portraits. The focal length ranges from 24mm to 100mm, resulting in excellent portraits. Talking about its operating system, it runs on FunTouch OS, which is well optimized and does not have much bloatware. It also features ear gestures and a desk calendar on the always-on display. It has AI features like Note Assist and Translation. Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is a standout foldable phone that sets new standards in the industry. It offers an impressive array of features including a brilliant display, advanced camera system, sleek design and solid build quality. With the latest Snapdragon processor, ample storage and RAM, and long battery life with fast charging capabilities, it caters to both performance and convenience. Whether you are into gaming, multimedia consumption, or just need a reliable daily driver, this phone has you covered. If you are in the market for top tier foldable phone, the Vivo X Fold 3 Pro is definitely worth considering.